Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. In this video, let us see the complete detailed new method to withdraw Bybit app directly to our bank. So, firstly, click on the subscribe button if you have not subscribed to our channel yet. Then click on the notifications too. Then the main thing is join our Telegram channel because deals and loots may expire in few seconds. I'll be posting everything there. So go and check on the link in the description and then join our Telegram channel. So see, a person earned more than 60k in this loot and everything I will be posting in this channel. So click on the button and join our Telegram channel. So now let us see how to earn it. So click on the link in the description. Just click on it and a page will be opened for sign up. Then click on sign up. Here you can see, enter your email ID, then choose a password, then again confirm it by entering the same, and then just click on I have agreed the terms, and click on continue. See, here you can see there is the restricted regions. You have to select no. So verify the captcha. They have asked bots here, so select the bots where you can see and click on verify. After entering the Gmail ID, you will get a OTP for mail, so confirm it here. So after sign up, directly you can see the website will be open. So after sign up, go to Play Store and search for Bybit app, then click on OK. So then install this app. So wait till the app is installed, then click on open, and you have to log in with the same Gmail ID which you have signed up there. You can see the app is opened and the interface will be similar to this. So click here and click on login. So enter the same email ID which you have signed up. Click on verify. The app will be opened. Here if you need, you can proceed with KYC by clicking here, or else KYC is not needed. Now here you have to click assets, then you can see there is 0 as we have not deposited. From now we have to go to CoinDCX or any other crypto exchange which you have been using. So let us deposit. For deposit you have to click assets, then click on deposits. If you are depositing USDT, then click here. TRC20 will be very low fees rather than ERC20. The fees will be $1, so TRC20 is best. So you have to copy this. I will show what next to do. I am using CoinDCX, so go to, if you are using CoinDCX, then go to Play Store, then search for CoinDCX Pro, because this will directly transfer the funds from CoinDCX to Bybit at very low fees. So after installing, just open it and then you have to sign in. Here click on profile, then you have to sign in here. So enter the same email ID and password of CoinDCX in this CoinDCX Pro. The same will be entered here. So then if you have INR in this, you can use directly or else deposit it through MobiKwik. So then you have to use this to CoinDCX to buy USDT. Just click on the profile and then click on CoinDCX install, then click on CoinDCX. Here you can see buy at $80. So I am buying for 1500, that is 18 USD I will be getting. So click on buy USDT. Yes, these details are correct. So immediately the USDT will be processed to your account. Go to portfolio and you can see 18.593 USDT is here. Then click on Tether and USDT and click on withdraw. Here you can see the fees will be 10 USDT and TRC20 Tron network the fees will be 0.1 USDT. Click on TRC20, then address which you have copied in the Bybit app, you have to paste it here. Then click on the amount. Here you can see the total will be 18.5 USD. I am going to send 15 USD to it. So then enter your password, withdrawal password, which you have chosen for CoinDCX. So after entering password, just click on send. Then you will get an OTP for the mobile number which you have registered in CoinDCX. Paste it here. After entering the OTP, the request will be initiated. Then you have to check your email ID and confirm the withdraw request. You can see the withdraw request will be like this. Then click on confirm withdraw request. Then just click on the website. Then the withdraw will be success. So let us wait for 4 or 5 minutes. That will be maximum time to get in. The amount will be transferred to Bybit app. So here you can see the deposit is confirmed in our Bybit app. So I have sent 4 minutes before and it has been succeeded in deposit. Here you can see $14 has been deposited here. So let us open Bybit app now. Open Bybit app, then click on assets. Here you can see in spot account there is $14.9 in USD. It has been deposited right now. So use TRC20 in CoinDCX. It will be very fast in deposit. So what you have to do next is click on home, then go on spot here. Spot BTC USDT pair, you have to click on it. Then click on buy, then click on market order. Then you have to fill the amount with full 100%, you have to fill it and click on buy. So then click on buy BTC, the order will be executed. Then again click on sell, then click on 100%, then you have to sell it. So do it same like this till the volume will be over $200. So again buy 100, again you have to sell it, click on 100%, then click on sell, then buy. Do it for 10 or 12 times so that the bonus will be created here. There is a pro tip here I will be saying at last, so watch the video till end. Keep on doing. So now let us see, does the withdrawal has been came or not. So click on assets, click overview, then you can see here, yes, there is a $20 sign up bonus. And I will give you another show. Click on home and scroll it like this, click on invite friends, and there will be a reward unlocked here. So click on open. So then click on open it. $10 in USDT. So overall $30 you will be getting here. So come back, then click on assets. Here you can see $20. The $10 will be deposited in few minutes. So now what you have to do is click on derivatives. That is, in derivatives you have got this 20 USD. So click on derivatives in center tab. Then what you have to do is click here, that is BTC or USDT pair. Then select any coin, that is click here 24 hours change. You can see the top coins which are in 19% gain. So then click on OMG. Then you have to click here long or short, then select here. Can keep the cross, that is leverage. I am choosing 14x, which will make good profit in short time. Then click on save. Okay, so then you have to click here limit. You have to change from limit to market. Then you have to change, then you have to keep 50% here. You have to drag it at 50%. So then you have to open long, then you have to open short. So both the orders will be executed. So leave it like this for an hour, 1 hour, 2 hours or 3 hours, until you can see here a good profit has to be seen in green color. So let me show you a demo. So here in profit and loss I have got $0.05 or 0.04. so let me close this in red, which is in short. So you have to close red first and then you have to close this. So then click on assets. Here you have to transfer from derivatives to spot. So click on transfer, then from derivatives to spot. So you have to switch it by clicking this. Then you have to select USDT because our coin is shown as USDT there. So then you have to click here. So with the profit which we have got is 0.09 there, and here we have it is showing same value. So click confirm transfer. So the this here you can see 19.96 and $0.09 has been shifted to spot account. In the same way you have to again show it as, again you have to trade like this. Click on limit and market for just for a refresh. So then click on 50%, keep 50%, then open short or open short, open long, both you have to press immediately after opening one. So here you can see the profit and loss has been shown here. Here you can see until $4 or $5, keep it like this for 1 hour or 2 hours, it will show like $4 or $5. Then you have to close one and one again another, then click on assets, then you have to transfer it, switch from derivatives to spot, then coin should be USDT. Then here you can see all, then click on confirm transfer, the amount will be transferred to spot. Then now we have to see from how to withdraw from spot to bank. So now let us see how to withdraw money from spot to bank after converting from derivatives to spot. Click on spot account, we have USDT, click on it, then click on withdraw. You have to set up a security verification, that is set up Google two-factor authentication just by completing the CAPTCHA, and download Google two-factor authentication in Play Store, then paste the key, but no problem. So first enter the mail which has been sent to you, mail OTP. So here you will see email authentication, just paste it there. So after this click on continue, then download Google two-factor authentication from Play Store and copy this key and paste there. Then you will get an OTP, then you have to enter the OTP here. For withdrawing, directly click on here, you have to click on spot account, then you have to click on the USDT, then you can see a withdraw button here, then click on it. Yes, now you have to enter the TRC20 address which you have to copy from CoinDCX or Bazirix. So let us go for CoinDCX Pro app, then click on profile or funds. So here you can click on deposit, then you can see a USDT here, then click on it. You have to select TRC20, then copy this here and then paste it here. You have to enter the amount, so click on all, if you want to withdraw everything. So then you have to add address, then click on add address, then click on TRC20. Do not send USD to one form to other, that is click on TRC20, enter the address which you have copied in CoinDCX Pro, enter the name, you can enter as CoinDCX Pro, any name you can type here. Then you have to enter the Google Authenticator. Directly click on Google Authenticator. Here you can see Bybit, which you will be copied for withdrawal. You have to click it, so the address will be added, then click here. So then after that click withdraw. The amount will be transferred to CoinDCX Pro app in 2 to 3 hours. So don't worry if it delays. This is a big loot, so don't miss this. Refer your friends and family, and you can install this app with your invite link to your brothers or any other relatives mobile, and you can earn easily. So thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.